So under trade, we just saw how you can convert the easiest way to trade cryptocurrencies in your Binance wallet. So today, I'll be showing you how you can actually do a kind of spot trading, like trade crypto with advanced tools. I'm not going to go into so much details about this because this is just basics about crypto, and I want you to really take time to understand the basics before we can go into more complicated stuff. However, if we click on spot, some of you might be asking, what is the use of this spot? All right, this is actually trading in different categories. Like you have spot trading, you have the margin trading, which is you want to leverage your money. You can actually borrow money in the margin trade and give the money back. Then you have something like bank transfer and 100 options. That's peer-to-peer. And you have strategic trading. You have swap farming. You want to swap to earn BNB. You have fan token. Then you have Binance OTC. All right, that's kind of liquidity and execution services. Now, what I'm really interested in showing you is spot trading. All right, so once you click on spot trading here, it's Binance. It will take you to your to this trading platform. All right, and on this trading platform, let's say you want to trade. This is the market. All right, these are people selling and you have people buying and what have you. You just have a whole bunch of people here. You can see the markets, and sometimes this is really for those that are doing trading. If you're not actually doing trading, then this is not for you. Okay, this is not for you if you're not doing trading. You might want to find a pair. All right, any pair that you want to find that you think that you want to pair that up and buy or sell, because right below here you see buy. All right, buy USDT, because the pair here is BTC USDT. The value for BTC now is 16,000 point something. All right, you see people buying and others selling. Okay, so if you are looking for a particular pair, for example, it can be BNB, USDT, BNB, USDT, for example, you can just select a pair like that and you automatically change here. You see the pair that is changing here and you see the value for one BNB here. Let's assume that if you want to see the maybe 24-hour change, 24-hour low, high with the volume and all that, these are all information that it can help you to know whether you should be buying BNB right now or whether you should be selling. However, let's assume that you have some BNB right now and you want to sell. You can just come here, spot trading, and if you want to buy with market price, all right, if you want to buy with market price, it means that you just want to swap whatever you have. All right, you put the amount here. All right, market price. You see, I just click on market price and the value will come here and I'll buy. All right, so if I have BNB, I want to get USDT, I'll just click and I'll buy from here. Actually, if I also have BNB, then I need USDT, or I have USDT, I need BNB. That is how I'll also come here and convert. So I can put the amount here, for example, like maybe $10, and then I'll click on buy BNB. All right, I'll click on buy BNB, and you also have here the same thing. All right, if I need BNB, I have USDT, I need BNB, I can just put the amount here, for example. All right, or maybe 0.02, for example, and I'll click on sell. So when I click on sell, it will automatically execute the transactions, and I'm going to have this deposited into my spot trading account. So you also have another thing that is very, very important. You have the limit. This limit here enables you to set up your account such that maybe you want to buy a particular token, setting up a limit. Maybe when the price is, let's say the price now is 29 or 291.7, you might actually want to buy that 281.7. So you're going to set up a limit. You put a limit amount, all right, and the total you want to spend, and you click on buy. Immediately the market would arrive at that. Limit order. It will execute that transaction and you have your money deposited into your spot trading account. And same here, maybe you want to set up kind of set limit with BNB, that will be the same thing. And then you also have stop loss. Stop loss enables you for the system to automatically kick you out of the market or the order if you are actually experiencing loss, depending what quantity you actually inserted in the beginning. So you can decide that when I'm already making 10% loss, that should be my stop loss. So the system automatically stop your loss and then will remove you out of the market or out of that order. So it's very important for you to know these important three things as far as spot trading is concerned. It's important for you to know what limits are. You want to set up your limit so that you don't lose your money, or you want a limit when the order reaches that amount, it executes. And you also have market. You want to buy whatever you want to buy at market rates, and then you have stop loss, which is very, very important for buying and selling of any pair that you always want to. It can be a pair of USDT, and whatever pair you have here, you might want to see it also here. And that is how you actually deal with spot trade in your Binance account.